viewers, welcome to EQ International Magazine, India's oldest and leading solar media. Today we have Mr. Sunil Sinarkar from K Solar. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Sir, can you please enlighten us how much business have you done from last financial year?
See, basically our K Solar journey we have started way back in 2012, where our turnover was somewhere around 1 crore in 2012. So last year we did almost 200 crore. So our company has exponentially growth has done in last 12 years.
Oh, that's great, sir. So what's your target or anticipated business for this financial year?
For the next financial year, we will be planning it around 450 crore.
Wow, that's great, sir. So what your current product, technology and service offerings?
See, basically we started with 1 kilowatt in 2012, but now we have the entire family right from 1 kilowatt to 325 kilowatt inverters.
Okay. So what are the product launch plan for this year?
This year we have launched a couple of new products because new panels are coming up in the market, like 20 ampere current panels are there. To compete with that type of panel, we have introduced 5G Pro Plus series. Then we have also introduced one new product, we call it as 7G Infinity. Now this 7G Infinity is the product with, you can have a 25 years unlimited warranty. No one in the world has introduced this type of product. So this will be the first type of product introduced by Indian company, 7G Infinity product with 25 years warranty.
Oh wow, sir. So can you tell us more about your professional journey, your key learnings and some messages from your side?
See, basically I started my journey from, I was working in Germany, then Spain, then I have worked in US, then shifted to Portugal. So almost, my background is in power electronics more. We have developed a lot of higher rated inverters, central inverters, then string inverters, EV chargers. So the same technology I am bringing it in India, and probably we are succeeding in overcoming all the challenges which Indian companies are facing it. So because of my prior experience, this has become quite easy task for me.
Oh, that's great, sir. So what is the opportunity in India currently in terms of projects, tender and pipeline and opportunities manufacturing as well?
See, as you know, our government is very proactive in solar, and recently our Prime Minister has inaugurated the Surya Ghar Yojana with 1 crore solar power plant has to be executed. Till now, I think we have executed, not we, in the all India level, somewhere around 15 lakh rooftop. From 15 lakh to 1 crore rooftop, it will be very challenging. So there is a lot of good opportunity for EPC player, for manufacturers, right from ACDB, DCDB, cable, inverters, panel. Lot of opportunities are there for the installer, commissioning people. So put all together, there will be a tremendous business growth in this industry for even small sector. As well as the C&I sector is concerned, there will be another big opportunity because all state government is coming up with the Kusum Yojana, for which a big inverters requirement have gone up. Industry is also growing up for solar business. So the C&I section is also booming up right now. So it's a very win-win situation for the entire industry.
Oh, that's great, sir. So what kind of market do you anticipate in 2024 in terms of utility, C&I and residential?
As I earlier mentioned you, there will be a tremendous growth in rooftop sector. 1 crore rooftop has to be implemented within 1 or 2 years. That itself is a bigger challenge. Then Kusum Yojana is also coming up. The Kusum Yojana APC is there, wherein again big opportunities are there for the C&I or the utility scale industries are there. So opportunities are tremendous.
So clearly we can see that residential is on a boom right now. So sir, what region or state looks most promising to you in this 2024?
Of course, where we are standing today, it's Gujarat. So Gujarat has given us a tremendous market. In fact, we are having a number one position in Gujarat. So we are having almost 45% market share in Gujarat, and we are doing really good. This is the reason, we have a bigger stall in Gujarat. So it's our main market. Second market now is because of this national portal. Every market is booming now. Maharashtra we are doing good. MP we are doing good. Rajasthan we are number one. Delhi we are also doing good. Barring South, because South we are not yet focused more. But other states we are doing really good, and for other industry also they are the market is tremendous now.
Oh, that's great, sir. So, how does export market out of India looks like to yourself for this 24?
Yeah, there is a big market for export also, and because of people do not want to use Chinese product in European country or in US or even in Australia and all. So these people, they would like to go ahead with Indian companies only. If we give them a very good quality product, definitely they are our better market, and we'll get good profitability also from that market. We are also started exporting into those countries gradually, but let us see how it moves it.
So, what kind of growth do you see coming in this sector demands, and what are the expectations from the government policy makers and regulators?
See, for solar EPC and all, I don't know basically about those things. But as far as inverters are concerned, government should intervene because we are totally dependent on Chinese component. So if government can provide us a proper infrastructure to develop some components in India, we do not have to rely on Chinese companies. So that is what we can request government to set up a projects based like what they have done it in PLI. Similarly, for small manufacturers, small R&D centers, they should come up, which will help our engineers to grow and to provide more talent, and from that talent they can get the product done from this industry.
Oh, that's great, sir. So, lots and lots success to you and your company, sir. Thank you so much for the interview. Thanks for the time.
Thank you very much for giving us an opportunity. Thanks for EQ also. Thank you very much.